My name is Kevin Brooker and I'm the National Accounts Manager here at Aligates. I'd like to give you a brief insight into what we do here to produce our aluminium gates and fencing. We, as a manufacturer, are in total control of every stage of the manufacture of the gates, from initial design through to coating and our rigorous testing procedure as well. For each of our test samples, which is approximately 10 per batch of powder coating, we weigh each of the test samples before they go through the chemical 7-stage dipping, and they're removed at certain times to make sure that we've removed the correct amount of aluminium. From this stage, the test samples are also painted to the same quality as the gates before they go on to the testing laboratory. So what is Qualicoat? Qualicoat is the internationally recognised standard for coating architectural aluminium. So by following the Qualicoat standards, we can ensure that each and every gate is identical in quality and durability. Once the profiles have left the 7-stage dipping, they then go through a drying process in an oven to make sure there's no moisture left on the aluminium. From this stage, it will go into our automated powder coating plant. And then it will move into our 25-metre oven, which then cures the powder. At Aligates, we invest heavily in new machinery. We have a constant programme of replacing old machines with new technology every few years to keep the quality levels high. For our timber effect gates, we put the profiles through another process which is called sublimation. So we'll take a special base coat on the aluminium, and then we will then wrap it in a plastic which is lined with an ink. Once this ink is tight onto the aluminium surface, we then reheat the aluminium to allow the sublimation process to turn the powder into a gas. It will then impregnate into the surface of the aluminium, and then we turn it back into a solid again, and then we have the realistic timber effect that we desire. So the wood grain effect is extremely durable. Not only do we have the 80 microns of paint underneath, but we add an extra around 20 microns, taking it up to 100 microns of thickness. This will give a very, very strong and durable surface that is very resistant to scratching. So at Aligates, we only use the strongest architectural grade aluminium, which is aluminium grade 6063. This is a lot stronger than your regular grades of aluminium. Our unique profiles are designed by ourselves in-house. We have our own dies made for the aluminium, which we then stress test to ensure that they will work with all of our components and any added accessories. So the quality guarantee on our gates will give you a full 10 years on the coating, and that guards against fading from the sunlight and also any damage through corrosion. For the actual structure of the gates, we will give a 15-year warranty. This gives you the warranty on the integral structure of the gate. With the continued investment in the latest technology and testing procedures, here at Aligates, we can guarantee we will build you a gate that will be built to last.